Splinters fly, steel screams, precision reigns. This isn't just destruction, it's transformation. Watch massive machines reclaim wood waste like never before. Built to thrill, designed to sustain, let the chips fly. All right, people, hold on to your hats. Ever seen a machine this hungry for wood? It's like feeding time at the log zoo. The beast awakens. Hear the engines roar, the hydraulic surge. Unleash the Maxim 1050 HR chipper. Its 362 horsepower Liezhard pulverizes massive logs instantly. The cavernous infeed shows no mercy, swallowing timber whole. Anchored by the mighty Volvo FM truck, the Palfinger Epsilon crane strikes like lightning, snatching logs. Muscle and precision in brutal harmony. Shout out to AMD Construct for building this beast. What a setup. If you've never seen raw power in action, watch this. No CGI, no fluff. Just America's toughest shredder grinding down the toughest junk. 120 tons of relentless force. This is what happens when industry stops talking and starts doing. Steel flying, smoke rising, and yet it's all perfectly orchestrated. I'd watch 30 minutes of this over any Netflix show. Here we see precision metallurgy in action. Scrap metals are carefully sorted for chemical balance, then melted in an electric furnace. The result? A liquid alloy with perfect temp and composition, ready for high-grade casting. It's cost-effective, eco-friendly, and keeps quality tight. Ever see one of those big rigs playing Tetris with cars? The verdict is in scrap. No second chances. Behind that wall, the sentence is carried out swiftly, decisively. A massive steel claw executes the final judgment. Tons of metal reduced. Efficient. Final. No hesitation, just pure mechanical resolution. This is the end of the line, executed with brutal purpose. Done. Curious what happens when German engineering meets raw demolition power. The Argus 250's dual-stage crushing, diesel engine, and hydraulic finesse make it a worksite MVP. It's compact, flexible, and devours tough materials with precision. Ideal for recycling pros looking to scale up. Yes, sir. Watch that power hand DK work. Seen plenty of grapples, but this one, built solid. You see that steady lift? That's good steel, good engineering. Handles that big bunch without a grunt. They designed this DK model right, made for the long haul on these heavy machines. Coming up next, meet the beast of the forest, the Albach Diamant 2000, Europe's unstoppable wood-chipping beast. It drives like a truck, shreds trees like paper, and roars like thunder. Trees that stood for decades fall in seconds, humbled by hydraulic grace. Whether it's deep in the forest or out on a logging site, once this beast fires up, you'll hear that signature roar, the sound of real power and performance. The machine employs a high-torque shredder for initial breakdown, maximizing surface area. Then, the hydraulic press engages for volume reduction. Interestingly, it seems programmed for a secondary shred and compaction cycle, likely ensuring optimal density for scrap processing. Textbook execution. No stalling, no second guesses. The Impactor 250 gets in, grinds hard, and finishes the job. Root systems, stumps, earthbound resistance, it turns it all to mulch. Got bulky junk you just need gone? See how the Quad Q115 industrial shredder tackles the big stuff, turning this unwanted couch into manageable pieces. Problem solved. What's the biggest disposal headache you've ever faced at home or work? Want to streamline your waste processing? The Rotochopper. B66E electric grinder is your game changer. Its picking line sorts garbage from green waste, sending wood and yard debris to the grinders for clean, efficient recycling. Save time, cut costs, and go green with this powerhouse. Watch it in action now. The Menard SPM58 windrow turner is an engineered solution vital for optimizing large-scale composting efficiency. Its robust construction and specialized rotor system ensure thorough aeration and homogeneous mixing of organic materials. This systematically accelerates the biological decomposition process, leading to enhanced compost quality. Some folks build birdhouses for fun, others fill 55-gallon drums with concrete just to watch a shredder scream. Peak. American engineering meets peak boredom. drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Can you believe that log truck? It just glided through the river like a pro. It felt like watching a daring tightrope walker. Yeah, they both shred, but who's winning the efficiency race? That Hamel VB450 duo looks absolutely vicious, tearing into that pile like a starved beast. But don't count out the Dopstat DZ750. It's got that steady, relentless torque. It's brute force versus unstoppable force. Which one would you bet on to clear the toughest junk pile the fastest? Tough call. Big job, big machine. The Liebherr. A 934 takes 5 yards at a time. No fluff. Just raw muscle and steel doing what needs to be done. Shipping costs killing you? Shred boxes into 3-inch packing material with this beast. Save cash, ship smart. The HB 2500 integrates seamlessly with 27 to 46 T-carriers, maximizing operational efficiency. Key tech includes vibro silencing for durability, Contilude 2 for reduced maintenance, and auto control for optimal energy transfer. I think it's too steep. Not being rude, too much fine material falling in the trash pile. We're witnessing remarkable endurance here. The wood shredder's knives have clocked in 2,250 hours without a single resharpening. Despite the wear, the machine maintains consistent throughput, a testament to its engineering. This performance speaks volumes about material quality and design integrity. The Deutz-Fahr Agra Plus 70, despite its compact size, showcased exceptional pulling capacity on the challenging mountainous terrain. Handling large logs with remarkable efficiency, this machine exceeded my expectations. The early morning air is refreshingly crisp, filled with the invigorating scent of fresh-cut wood. Massive logs stand neatly stacked, while that reliable machine hums along, orchestrating a perfect harmony of productivity. The dust settles, blades rest, silence returns. But innovation never sleeps. And we've just begun. Hit subscribe to witness more crushing evolution. Let's build a cleaner world, one shred at a time.